Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your money is working for you, generating daily income while you focus on your day. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. With the right investment app, you can earn passive income every single day, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. In today's video, I'll show you the best investment apps that help you make money daily, how they work, and how you can start using them right away. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips, passive income strategies, and investment hacks. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. How investment apps generate daily income. Best investment apps for passive earnings. How to get started with just $10, risks and mistakes to avoid. Pro tips to maximize your earnings. How investment apps generate daily income. Investment apps have changed the game. Unlike traditional investing, where you wait months or years for returns, many apps now offer daily payouts through dividends, interest, and automated trading. Some platforms even use AI-driven investing to maximize your earnings while minimizing risk. Whether it's stock dividends, crypto staking, or high-yield savings, these apps provide a steady stream of income with little effort. Best investment apps for passive earnings. Here are the top investment apps that can help you earn daily income. Robinhood, great for beginners with commission-free stock and crypto trading. Acorns, automatically invests your spare change and grows your portfolio over time. Webull, offers interest on uninvested cash plus stock and crypto trading. M1, Finance, lets you create a customized investment portfolio and pays dividends regularly. Coinbase, best for crypto staking, allowing you to earn daily or weekly rewards. Fundrise, invest in real estate with as little as $10 and earn passive rental income. Lending Club, earn daily interest by lending money through peer-to-peer investing. 3. How to get started with just $10. One of the biggest myths about investing is that you need thousands of dollars to start. The truth? Many of these apps let you start with just $10. Here's how. Choose an app that fits your goals. Stocks, crypto, real estate, or P2P lending. Deposit a small amount and set up auto-investing for consistency. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and maximize profits. Reinvest your earnings to take advantage of compound growth. 4. Risks and mistakes to avoid. While investment apps make earning daily income easier, there are risks you need to watch out for. High fees. Some platforms charge hidden fees that can eat into your profits. Market volatility. Stocks and crypto can be unpredictable, so invest wisely. Scams. Avoid apps that promise unrealistic returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Not diversifying. Don't put all your money in one app or asset. Spread it across multiple platforms for stability. 5. Pro tips to maximize your earnings. Want to boost your daily income? Try these strategies. Use referral bonuses. Many investment apps give free stocks or cash when you refer friends. Enable auto-investing. This keeps your money growing without manual effort. Reinvest dividends. Instead of cashing out, let your earnings compound over time. Stay updated. Follow market trends and adjust your strategy when needed. What's your favorite investment app? Have you tried any of these platforms before? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear about your experience. So there you have it, the best investment apps for daily income. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these platforms make it easy to grow your money every day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.